Hey everyone, this is something I'm calling Voiceover Problem, Voiceover Solution. And today we're going to talk about something that all voice talent do from time to time, and something that, in the best of all worlds, you never want to hear us do. Ever. All right, so what's the problem I'm talking about? The problem is, let's say you're on a directed session. You're a client, you're an engineer, you're a copywriter, and you're listening into the directed session. And we, as a voice talent, are just about to start our reads. We want to sound our best, and usually there's a little little throat clear. And maybe it doesn't sound that bad. That seems kind of mild right there. And maybe we, if we can think about it, we'll turn away from the mic and do it. But sometimes it's more than that. Sometimes more clearing is required. Sometimes it's a big, heavy cough to get ready for that read. And the microphone's right here. And again, we can turn away from it, but you're still going to hear it. Now, I've gone back and listened to some of my sessions on replay, and I hear myself clearing my throat. And I don't want to subject anyone to that. I don't think any of us voice talent want to subject anyone who's listening in on the session to that. The sensitivity of the microphone right there, even if we do turn away, it's going to be a problem. So here's a solution that I've found. A little thing called the Coughlbox, right? By a company called RapcoHorizon. If anyone knows how to really pronounce that, drop it in the comments and let me know. But anyway, it's a simple little device. And what happens is it just goes into each side of your XLR microphone cable, right? Just snaps right into place, right in line. And there's a little button here that you hold down while you're coughing or while you're clearing your throat or sneezing or something, okay? Let me demonstrate. Okay, so now we've got it all connected here to the XLR cable, and you can see the button right here to mute the mic. I'm on the 416. I will do a gentle throat clear without it, which you can clearly hear, and maybe you still hear a little too clearly. And now, right. Okay, there we go. I know you couldn't hear me, but now I've released the button, and now you can hear me just fine again. Okay, so there's the voiceover problem and the voiceover solution. So why am I telling you this? Well, obviously, if we work together on a directed session, that's something you're not going to have to worry about, hearing me clear my throat or worse. But for the other voice talent that you work with, if you do directed sessions with them, and if this is an issue, well, maybe just, get the link from Sweetwater or BSW. I think it's $40-$50, not too expensive. Maybe just slip them the link as a subtle hint. And the holiday season's here. If you want to get something really nice for your voice talent, sure, $40-$50, but maybe it's money well spent for everybody.